You are watching an episode of Kwame the Wanderer in Dubai. I arrived this morning, went to check in my hotel, sanitized myself, filled my belly, and I'm back on the street. So at the moment, I'm at the Dubai International Airport metro station. I want to catch a train and experience the ride. I like going for a ride on the Dubai metro and also to just go and wander in the city. There's no any planned routine, just wandering as I always do. Over there is the Dubai metro station. So a new train has arrived and I want to capture that train, so I'm going to miss it anyway because I want to capture it on my camera. I will wait for the next metro. The metro has taken off.
Your attention please. The train to Expo 2020 will arrive at platform 2.
About to ride the escalator to the boarding platform where I will be catching the train. The Dubai Metro is driverless, affordable, clean, and efficient, and I find it to be a very good means to get around the city. I often buy myself a VIP day pass, and with this ticket I can hop on and hop off the train to every destination serviced by the metro. The VIP day ticket, which is known as Gold Pass, cost me 40 Emirati dirham, which is equivalent to 11 US dollars or 16 Australian dollars 50 cents. I can also use the same ticket to board most of the public buses as well, which is a very great deal.
المحطة الأخيرة بهذا القطار هي
Yep, West Africa.
Expo
You are from
2020.
where?
المحطة القادمة هي
Algiers, Oran, Tamara
The final destination of this train
I
is
like traveling, I like cultures, I
Expo
like
2020.
meeting different people.
The
So
next station
I learn a
is
lot about every country,
Max.
every civilization in this world. Good. I really want to visit Algeria. You know, there's a Algerian indigenous.
Very fascinated because Algeria is close.
Yep. Yep. There's not a lot of tourists.
You need
go
one,
there.
you need one people in Algeria.
Yep.
After that, you
Yep.
give your visa.
Okay.
Yeah?
You need an invitation.
An invitation
Okay.
for all people in Algeria.
Yep.
المحطة القادمة هي Max. The next station is Max. المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار هي إكسبو 2020. المحطة القادمة هي المركز التجاري العالمي. The final destination of this train is
I'm enjoying the announcement in the Arab language. It sounds so interesting. Al-Hadr Karia.
المحطة القادمة هي المركز التجاري العالمي. The next station is World Trade Center.
Look at the Museum of the Future.
Wow.
What a building.
المحطة القادمة هي
Wondrous, I've alighted from the metro and now standing on the station platform, spotting some cars which are passing by on the Sheikh Zayed Road, one of the most busiest roads in the Middle East, and it connects most of the cities in the United Arab Emirates. On this road, you will find most of the famous skyscrapers in Dubai. Here is where I will end today's vlog. See you in the next one.